up, guys? So today we're about to do a window regulator on this C506. It's actually very simple. There's only two T30 bolts that kind of go underneath the handle. You gotta pop the trim piece around the door handle, take out the window switch, pop that out. And besides that, it's all just clips going around the door panel, around the perimeter of it. Just pop off all those clips and the whole panel kind of slide up and away. And once you get that out, there's a total of 7 10mm nuts. There's 4, there's one on each corner of the regulator holding the rails, and those 3 where the motor actually bolts through the door shell. Unplug the motor and yeah, you can pull it out, do the switcheroo, and that's basically it, and put it back together.
What was it?
25.
Oh shit. T25. There's 2 of them?
Yeah, you don't have any like masking tape, do you?
Maybe.
Just have to mark the line with it.
Some of this cheap stuff.
For the front to back.
Okay.
Alright, come on, this comes on.
So this is for the up and down mark, and this is going to be for the front and back. Lined up with the seal right here.
Right here. Yeah, you got it right on.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
I'm not sure it comes off. Oh, okay.
It's like a clip, any clip or what?
Yeah.
It was easy. Rob's was wrong Carter. Did you not back into his car with the Cavalier I had? Remember that? Yeah, I cracked the door.
What the?
Miguel fixed it for me. And you remember how I did the 06 front end on the single cab?
Yeah.
They painted the front end and the Vet at the same time. Was the same color code. The 382E. Yeah, he did it for like 200 bucks. He painted the truck and the car for 200 bucks.
That's badass.
And then he got fired.
For scamming.
Yeah, for hooking people up like that.
So basically these
go to the
goes right here.
to the bottom of the door.
Make sure it's the right side, dude. These idiots.
Make sure there's a stud going down at the front of the door underneath.
Yeah, I think that's somewhere in.
Alright, we're good then. Yeah. Man, what are these up?
We'll cut an X in that?
Yeah, I need to see if we can get to that bolt holding the window in there.
Hello.
Come on. Dude, if it's not there, I'm a pain in the ass. See it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
So with the glass gotta come out?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
So I guess there's one up there too, so let's see.
How much was the regulator? You said it was like $5?
$45.
Oh, $45. Compared to what? Like a At O'Reilly, it better be like 100.
$250 at O'Reilly.
Holy shit.
With the discount.
Wow.
So put a link whenever you put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Put a link of that on Amazon.
Yeah.
Don't y'all get something back from?
Yeah, if you're what's it called? An affiliate of Amazon. I'm still working on that.
So you think there's 2 or just?
It should just 1 per side. You just gotta crack it loose.
Oh, just crack it?
Yeah, that's it. It's plenty.
So the glass comes out with that?
No, that actually stays in. It's like a sandwich. It sandwiches the glass. So you just. Oh, that's a lot of effort.
This one came out of.
There it is. What is that? What was the problem?
I don't know. It was like clicking and then. I have no idea. So that one.
It should be for 7 bolts and those 3 nuts in the middle. That's for the motor. Yeah, that should be it. 4 and then those 3. 10. So 1 here, 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 and then 1, 2, 3. This kind of seems like it's holding the cable in there. Could be wrong. All right, halfway done. Let me get you the wire cutter for the zip ties. Looks good, huh? Oh,
I gotta come up.
okay. It looks good. Oh, it wasn't tight?
No, it's fine.
No.
That's why I like cutting it, dude. You can reuse it.
Two-part?
No.
Oh, maybe it was me. Yeah, I usually just rip the shit off and throw it away.
Okay. I think, you can correct me, what year is it?
2001.
Alright, so it's a 2001 Z06 228R cam, Texas Speed 228R cam, long tube headers, fast 92 intake. Don't the heads have worked out to them? Huh? Cold air tune, Corsa exhaust. Yeah, start raining. What else? Am I missing something?
Driver mod.
Driver mod, the most important mod of all. Driver mod. The little one too.